Want to become a professional video editor, but don't know where to start? Whether you're on a laptop, low budget, or just starting from zero, this video will show you how to go from beginner to pro, step by step. Start with the basics. Learn what a timeline, a cut, and a transition mean. Don't worry about complex effects yet. Use free tools like CapCut, VN Editor, or DaVinci Resolve to practice. Pick one software and master it. If you're on a PC, go for DaVinci Resolve or CapCut Desktop. Want Adobe? Try Premiere Pro, they all have free versions or trials. Focus on shortcuts, color correction, and audio syncing. Edit sample projects, music videos, vlogs, tutorials, anything. Use websites like Pexels, Pixabay, or Mixkit for free clips and music. Upload your edits on YouTube or TikTok to showcase your skills. Great editing isn't about flashy effects, it's about storytelling. Learn how to build emotion, rhythm, and flow. Watch content from top editors and pay attention to how they use cuts, sound, and pacing. Once you're confident, start offering your skills. Use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Instagram to get your first clients. Offer short-form edits, reels, or lyric videos. Everyone needs editors in 2025. You don't need a $2,000 setup to be a professional video editor. Just consistency, creativity, and practice. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech and creator tips with At Tech with Manuel.